Yeah, hi Adrian, it's Mark at FMAV. Your Beosound1 that you sent me today. I've done it all for you. So yeah, I've marked that for you, so you can see that as a little cross on there, like a spider. Yeah, basically, it's in great condition. It's just the usual common fault on them lasers. So what I've done is I've given it a service for you. I've checked it, oiled it, greased it, checked the cogs, make sure they're all good. And you can hear it running there. So if I flip up a couple of tracks, you can hear it running there. So yeah, it's all good. Yeah, I mean that should last you for a few years, or it's a good spare, because parts for these are really getting rare now. And I think, in all honesty, I mean they are going to become pretty obsolete soon, because Bang & Olufsen don't make them anymore. So I mean the only way to get these is out of a scrap system, and a scrap system's going to cost you a bloody arm and a leg nowadays as well because of the parts. So yeah, alright there Adrian, so yeah, I'll get that sent off to you as soon as possible. You got a 6-month warranty on that. You get any problems, just give me a shout. Thank you ever so much, and thank you for your business, as we do really appreciate your business, and take care and stay safe. Thanks mate.